Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to fix Snapstreak is not loading. So yesterday I have an issue with my Snapstreak. My friend sent me a streak and it's not loading. It's just showing me a black screen. So how you can fix it? So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your settings and you have to go to the apps and the notification, and from here you have to search for the Snapchat. So I have recently used my Snapchat, so I simply click it. Okay, now click on the storage and the cache and clear your storage from here, or clear your cache from here. Once you will do it, you have to again log into your Snapchat account and try to open that streak. If it's not still working, because this is not working for me, maybe this will work for you. Other trick is that you can simply open your Snapchat and you have to tap a while on the friend chat which is not loading. So now from here you have to click on the more and simply click on the clear conversation. Once you will do it, this problem will be fixed, because this trick worked for me. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.